Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unblock Telegram channels, Android and iOS. Before trying to access a channel that Telegram blocked, you may wish to understand why Telegram took action in the first place. When a channel is blocked, it violates Telegram's terms of use, leaving Telegram no choice but to take it down. Generally, if a channel is prone to not following Telegram terms of use, it may likely be blocked. Once a channel is blocked, members are prevented from accessing it. If you find that your favorite Telegram channel has been blocked and you cannot access its content, you may be frustrated, making you find alternatives to accessing the channel. If you are accessing Telegram on a mobile phone, it may be impossible to unblock a Telegram channel. If you haven't done so already, go to the Telegram website. You can scan the QR code by opening Telegram on your mobile phone. Find the three horizontal lines to open a new menu. Then, tap Settings to open the Settings page. Settings are indicated by a gear icon located below the Contacts option. Select the Privacy and Security option from the choices. Then navigate to the Sensitive Content section. You will see a button indicating Disable Filtering. Please turn on the button. Once you have enabled the button, you will unblock the Telegram channel. If you wish to access the channel on your mobile phone, please restart your Telegram app on your mobile phone to apply changes. You can now access the blocked Telegram channel and join new blocked channels without restrictions. Telegram tries to make its platform suitable for most people, which is why they block some channels that follow the terms of use. When a blocked channel prevents new users from joining, you may fail to find it, making it impossible to open it. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.